Escalope chicken with sautéed potatoes and red chard. One of my favourite all-time birds.
Chicken breast, butterfly,
If it's open, the whole thing cooks evenly.
egg wash, beat, flour, season, chicken breast, dust.
Shake off any excess flour into the egg wash. Just run it through and then into the breadcrumbs. This helps to keep the chicken breast really nice and moist.
Hot pan, olive oil,
Into the pan.
colour,
Turn it over. That's what we want.
rest, sauce, shallots, garlic, tomatoes, hot pan, olive oil, basil, sauce, mozzarella, grated parmesan, olive oil.
Stop it from going dry.
Bake 8 minutes.
Look at that. Beautiful.
Escalope of chicken served with sautéed potatoes and red chard. Done.